Michelle Romano here with the Elite Home Sales Team at RE/MAX Professionals, and I am beyond excited about our new listing here in Littleton. It is located at 810 Front Range Road. It has 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, a little over 6,300 square feet finished. It has an amazing outdoor living area. The location couldn't be any better. Let's take a look around. You're not going to want to miss it. As you can see from the incredible finishes to over an acre of land, this oasis could be yours, but you're going to want to check it out in person. So feel free to give me a call to set up a private showing, or I'm going to have an open house on May 7th between 2 and 4. See you then.